In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the sketch feature in draw.io for Confluence. If you want to give your diagram a more hand-drawn, informal look, the sketch feature is a quick and simple way to do it. This can be especially useful when you want diagrams to feel less rigid or polished, such as in brainstorming pages, draft workflows, or early stage concepts. I'll walk you through exactly where to find this option and how to apply it to your shapes inside Confluence. To get started, open the Confluence page that contains the draw.io diagram you want to update. Make sure you're on the page where the diagram is already embedded, since the sketch effect is applied directly from the diagram editor. Once you're on the page, enter the page editor and locate the draw.io diagram. Click on the diagram to select it. When the toolbar appears, choose the edit icon. This opens the draw.io editor so you can make changes to the diagram itself. Depending on the size of your diagram and your connection, it may take a few moments for the editor to fully load, so just wait until everything is visible and ready to use. When the editor has loaded, select the shape or shapes that you want to give the sketch effect to. This works best when you intentionally choose the elements you want to stylize, rather than applying changes blindly. After selecting a shape, look over to the formatting panel on the right-hand side. Make sure you're on the Style tab, because that's where the visual appearance settings are located. In the Style panel, find the Effects section. If it's collapsed, click to expand it. Inside that section, you'll see an option labeled Sketch. Check the box next to it. As soon as you enable it, the selected shape will take on a sketch-style appearance. You should notice the lines become a little more organic and less perfectly clean, which creates that hand-drawn visual effect. If you want the same look on other shapes in the diagram, simply repeat the same process for each one. Select the shape, go to the Style tab, expand effects if needed, and enable Sketch. Taking a moment to review the overall look afterward can help you keep the style consistent across your diagram. And that's it. That's how to use the sketch feature in draw.io for Confluence.